It's Friday, November 8th, 2024. It's 8:21 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. GV, third highest gainer, up about 80%. Just came up above VWAP. This thing halted 3 or 4 times earlier this morning throughout this area here. I don't see any recent news on it. I'm not sure what the deal is with this. It just moved up to the second highest gainers position. High of day is 325 back in here. It's a ways away from that. However, it is trying to pull itself back up. I'll keep my eyes open and I'll return. I have an order in on GV. Profit and loss down here. 80 shares at 291. See if this move will continue on. And I am out. Let's go take a look at this. All right, that was a quick $9.60, 3.7% gain on that trade. I was only in this thing a little under 30 seconds, in at 291, out at 303 with 80 shares. So a full week of green. I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's hit this thing again next Monday.